Welcome to Tokyo Tower, the iconic red and white structure that stands tall in the heart of Tokyo, offering unparalleled views with a rich history.
This building is actually half the weight of the Eiffel Tower, and it's taller, but they kind of made it thinner. They wanted it to be the biggest thing in the world, but it didn't happen.
Standing at 333 meters tall, Tokyo Tower was completed in 1958 as a broadcasting tower. Over the years, it has become a beloved symbol of Japan's post-war rebirth and modernization. As of 2025, tickets to the main deck are priced at around 1,500 yen for adults. For access to both the main deck and the top deck at 250 meters, the top deck costs 3,500 yen, or with a discount when booked online in advance. Plan to spend around 1.5 to 2 hours exploring the tower, especially if you're visiting both decks. This allows ample time to enjoy the views, take photos, and explore the attractions within the tower. For the observation decks, you can enjoy a 360-degree panoramic view of Tokyo. On clear days, landmarks such as Mount Fuji, Tokyo Skytree, and Shibuya are often visible. While daytime offers clear views, visiting during sunset or at night provides a memorizing experience as the city lights up below. At the base of the tower is Foot Town, a multi-story building housing various attractions. Here, you'll find souvenir shops, restaurants, and the Red Tokyo Tower Esports Entertainment Complex, offering interactive games and activities for visitors of all ages. Did you know Tokyo Tower was the tallest structure in Japan until 2012, when it was surpassed by Tokyo Skytree? Additionally, the tower is painted every 5 years, a process that takes up to about a year to complete, ensuring it remains vibrant and well maintained. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider visiting in the late afternoon. This timing allows you to witness the transformation from daylight to dusk, capturing the city in both natural and in illuminated states. Whether you're drawn by breathtaking views, the history, or the vibrant attractions, Tokyo Tower is a must-see destination.
Alright, so you start off down here, which is where I currently am now. Then you go to the middle level, and you got good views there, I guess. And then you go up to the top. So this one's like $15, and that one is $35. Get me out of here. I'm gonna go find some cherry trees. They should be blooming now.